Now the function of teeth. So teeth form an important part of our face. These help us to the following way. Important part how? First, give shape to our face. So teeth given shape to our face na. See here, given shape to our face. Help us to bite and chew food. With the help of teeth you have to bite and chew food. Help us to pronounce certain word correctly. You have to pronounce na certain words correctly with the help of your teeth. Now we read about the kinds of permanent teeth. Here written kinds identify total number, functions and the shape of the teeth. First is incisor teeth. Sharp edged front teeth. This is the sharp edge front. In your mouth there is a front, you have to see your incisor teeth. This is the shape and the function of the teeth is cutting and biting food. Okay, with the help of incisor teeth you have to cut and bite food. And the number of the incisor teeth, how many? Total 8, and 4 in our upper jaw and 4 in our lower jaw. So the identification is sharp edged front teeth. See here, sharp edged na. Next is canines. Long, sharp and pointy teeth on either side of the incisor. In front you see your incisor. After incisor you see you have to see your canines teeth. So this is also some long and sharp pointy teeth. So the number of the teeth having 4, total number 4, 2 upper and 2 lower, and the working of and the function of the teeth is tearing the food, and this is the shape of the teeth. Next is premolar. So flat teeth next to the canines. So bache firstly incisor, then canines, and after that premolar. This is a flat teeth. So having a number 8 total and 4 upper and 4 lower jaw. And the work function crushing and grinding. Crushing a small part, making a small part. Okay, grinding the food with the help of premolar teeth. And this is the shape of the premolar teeth. And here is last kind is molars. Broad and flat teeth next to the premolar. After premolar there is a molar teeth, and molar teeth having a broad and flat teeth, and the number of the teeth having a 12, 6 upper jaw and 6 lower jaw, and their work is also grind and crush the food. And this is the shape of the teeth. You have to see here, this is a very flat and broad. See here, a broad part having our teeth. Now tooth decay. How our tooth are decay? When we eat bit of food, particles get stuck between the teeth. Stuck means attached. See, you have to see here, when you eat food na, some part left inside your teeth, and if we don't brush our teeth or rinse our mouth, the food particle gets stuck on the teeth roots. Bache, when you not rinse your mouth na and not brushing your mouth, then which left particle inside your teeth na, that stuck, it means that stuck on the teeth roots, attack on the teeth roots. A sticky layer of the bacteria and mucus form on the tooth surface called plaque. Bache, and a yellowishy layer you have to see on your teeth, that is called plaque. Okay, plaque react with sugar present inside the food. Whenever you not rinse your mouth and again you eat food, firstly left particle na inside your teeth, now again you eat food, and then what happen, the when you eat food na, then sugar present na which one food, that convert into acid and with react with plaque part our teeth, that is a yellowishy part. Okay, so when acid they react both each other and convert into acid, then what, the acid make hole inside our teeth, tooth enamel called dental cavity. See here, this is an enamel part na upper, and this is making a hole. How? When you not rinse your mouth and brush not on your teeth. So these lead to toothache and tooth decay. So after that your tooth decay, the teeth become weak, gums bleed, and we have bad breath. But whenever you not rinse your mouth and not brush on your teeth, then a bad breath coming from your mouth. So you have to rinse your mouth properly. Some of the simple way to take care of your teeth. So here also, firstly we read about the take care of our teeth. Now here also written, brush your teeth once in the morning and once at night. It means twice a day you have to brush your teeth. Rinse your mouth after every meal to remove the food particles stuck between the teeth. बच्चे, which particle left inside our mouth na, inside our teeth, you have to rinse your mouth and that particles are removed. So use a good toothbrush and toothpaste also. And toothbrush must have soft bristle. Upper side brush having a small hair na, that is bristle. Move the brush in circular motion, up and down motion. This is the way how to brush your teeth. Firstly in circular, okay, and then up and down. And visit dentist regularly. You have to go dentist regularly. Teeth of animals. Now there is a different type of animals there, and their teeth is also different have. Most animals have teeth. Their teeth are suited to the kind of food they eat. Which kind of food they eat na, they have that kind of teeth. First is herbivorous. Herbivores eat plants. They have strong, flat and sharp incisors for biting and cutting the plant. बच्चे herbivorous animals using having a incisors teeth that having a sharp na, and flat also, and with the help of incisor teeth they are biting and cutting the plant. This is the herbivorous. Carnivorous eat flesh, it means meat. So they will develop canines to tear flesh and strong grinding teeth to chew it. So they carnivores having na canine teeth. And canine teeth what? That having a long sharp and pointing teeth. So with the help of canine they eat their flesh. Animals like rabbit, squirrel eat fruit and nut. If they have a pointy teeth, then they are eating like a nut. Nut food they eat. So nut food is hard. Okay, so they have a pointed teeth. So with the help of pointed teeth, they have a eat nuts. They have a pair of very sharp front teeth that help them to gnaw. Okay, so they are called gnawing animals or rodents. So with the help, rodents means mammals which have a sharp front teeth, and gnawing they eating. Okay, gnawing animals, they eating food na, so that's why they are called gnawing animals. Reptiles, fish have all teeth of nearly the same size and shape. So बच्चे reptiles which lay on land, that is reptiles, and fish also having a teeth of nearly the same size. They having the same size and shape. So they use them to catch their prey. It means their food. They catch their food. They replace their teeth continuously. They replace their teeth. They see here, they catch their prey, their food, and replace their teeth on their backstage. Okay, so this process is continuously going on. I hope you understood the chapter very well. Thanks.